Time travel has fascinated scientists, philosophers, and storytellers for centuries. But is it just science fiction? Or could it one day be a reality? From Einstein's theories to real-world experiments, the nature of time is more mysterious than we ever imagined. Get ready for 10 mind-blowing facts about time travel and relativity. Fact 1. Time passes differently depending on speed and gravity. Albert Einstein's theory of relativity showed that time is not constant, it's flexible. The faster you move or the stronger gravity is around you, the slower time passes for you compared to someone else. This has been proven with precise atomic clocks placed on fast-moving planes. They tick slower than identical clocks on the ground. Fact 2. Astronauts experience time differently than us. Because the International Space Station moves at around 28,000 kilometers per hour, astronauts experience time slightly slower than people on Earth. This means that when astronauts return from long missions, they have aged a tiny bit less than the rest of us. This real-world time travel effect is known as time dilation. Fact 3. Black holes can warp time. A black hole's immense gravity is so powerful that it bends both space and time. If you could orbit close to a black hole without falling in, time for you would slow down dramatically compared to the outside universe. In theory, this means that someone who stays near a black hole for a few years could return to find that centuries have passed elsewhere. Fact 4. The twin paradox. Can you time travel into the future? The famous twin paradoxes experiment in relativity suggests that if one twin traveled at near light speed while the other stayed on Earth, the traveling twin would age much more slowly. When they return, they would find their twin much older than them, essentially time traveling into the future. Fact 5. GPS satellites need to adjust for time dilation. Without corrections for relativity, GPS systems would be off by several kilometers per day. Because GPS satellites orbit Earth at high speeds and experience weaker gravity, time runs slightly faster for them compared to clocks on the surface. Engineers have to apply Einstein's equations to keep navigation systems accurate. Fact 6. Time travel to the past might break the universe. If time travel to the past were possible, it could create paradoxes, logical contradictions that seem impossible to resolve. The most famous is the grandfather paradox, where someone travels back in time and prevents their own grandfather from meeting their grandmother. If that happened, how could they exist to travel back in time in the first place? Scientists still debate whether time travel to the past is physically possible. Fact 7. Some physicists believe wormholes could be time machines. Wormholes are hypothetical shortcuts through space-time, often depicted in science fiction. If a wormhole could be stabilized and one end moved at high speed while the other remained stationary, it might allow a traveler to move between different points in time. While we've never found a real wormhole, some scientists think they could theoretically exist. Fact 8. Quantum mechanics suggests time may not be linear. In quantum mechanics, some interpretations suggest that the past, present, and future might all exist simultaneously, and our experience of time is just a perception. Some experiments even hint that changes in the future can affect the past at the quantum level. If true, this could mean time is far more mysterious than we ever thought. Fact 9. There may be time travelers among us. Some scientists have suggested looking for evidence of time travelers in history or even online. A few researchers have searched the internet for mentions of future events before they happened, while others have looked for people who seem to have knowledge of the future. So far, no solid evidence has been found, but the idea is fun to think about. Fact 10. The future of time travel remains unknown. While time travel into the future is already scientifically proven through relativity, traveling to the past remains a mystery. Some theories suggest it might be possible through exotic physics, while others argue it could never happen. Until we fully understand time itself, the dream of time travel remains one of humanity's greatest scientific frontiers. Time remains one of the biggest mysteries in physics, and the idea of time travel continues to inspire scientists and storytellers alike. Do you think time travel will ever be possible? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more mind-blowing discoveries. and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest videos.